God sponsor. Hey God. Oh, when I lekki with you. Poverty not there. Casino. And as you yab the one finish, later I call the praise him. No matter I praise the one, tomorrow you go set ring lights for you. All this one way the praise and rich family, this and that. The one go set ring lights for you. Yes. 2 minutes you go hear what? People of nowadays don't tire me. People get mind. Get something where they come up for people mouths now. Their parents they shop. Then they tell one guy, say they pray make everybody get wife will be like their mom because women are what? Mothers are what? Caring. The guy said no. You know one woman will be like him wife and mama. Say mama no get nyash. God I beg you. God I beg you. Say mama no get nyash. Mama with the village, straight bullet touch him. The way people they find nyash nowadays. Now they put girls under pressure. They go collect salary 1 full year, use and go do nyash. And so one, they don't do nyash enter public transport too. As they do and go buy your motor. One get do nyash go enter Danfo. No someone Danfo enter Nigeria, they come out the chair away full and come. Then go do chair we go size plenty people. So some of them they get chipu. So the guy enter motor where they go Lipan. I see enter no reach 3 minutes driver enter gallop. Now they hear boah! Driver thinks an entire bus. Now the guy shouts, it's my nyash. It's my nyash. Driver confused. You don't know what you go do. You come they ask the guy what you go do. Now the guy say no, say doctor number no day yet. The conductor come they advise his driver, so them go for organizer. When they try pump the nyash. So they come carry the guy go for organizer. They come they pump him. They come ask the guy if he gauge. If he gauge, men let them know. He say no, whether na 40 or 60. Say no, doctor number never go. So they come they over pump and till come bust. And I like rubbish. The country don't tire me, I no like for you. Don't let the rise our president dey fall. President won't fall. You know, find better day for you can't go for democracy day. You can't be like say true democracy get fought. Because you're not supposed to fall that day. Nobody play with small pikin pass person wey come borrow money. As they wait for you for parlor to bring the money, any pikin wey they see for your house, sharp baby sharp. Papa, he say, as he answer, say, my brother, how much again? 70,000. My sister, God bless you, too fine. Oh, wow. Now they see, that's why they call melanin puppy. If you easy, do one. Fine girl. Give me 10-5. I don't know, I be Igbo man. Igbo man, they calculate money from far. What kind of problem is this? What do you want from me? I don't see any man where they get white eyeglass. When they sabi they sexy, you know. When they say, bring it. My man, they tell me saying a person send down. Kickstart in the building, it's good. Technology expert. The CEO gameplay gaming app. It's good. Then get game. I borrow you clothes, man. We are go party, you go slim fit and me fit you. Oh God. Evil that men do. Live with them now. Wicked people do. I mean, if I not carry babe go house where you want, una two no talk about to fuck. You don't meet the girl for the first time. You carry and go house. They expect say you suppose no, say una suppose wife. Then you come home and be all this girl with them trained from better family. As you touch and me speak English. You don't do anybody. That thing they frustrate you. As you just hold the girl for waist. You just want me your dick stand. The girl you look you. Did you invite me for sex? Did you invite me for sex? I don't like it when a guy wants to be erotic on the first date. You wanted to know me and you wanted sex. What do you want? You can't see weird guys they speak English for bedroom. Actually, when I saw you, I saw focus. I saw intelligence. I wasn't brought up this way. This is not me. Are you getting it? You want fuck? All this rubbish English now fuck. You're gonna see the guy. The guy will gonna say, if sex is what you want from me, let me just go back to my house. The guy will say, just sleep. Tomorrow we'll get to know ourselves better. I felt I was bonding with you. That was why I held you that way. But I want you to sleep so that tomorrow you understand me better. Nothing! You say, man, the way I go change his mind. You're gonna see the guy. The guy won't come up for bed. Come go sleep where the guy will pity him. You think go sleep near dustbin. Where they keep fried pan with 30 days. The guy will want to feel bad. The guy will call him, Jude, I can't be on the bed, then you're sleeping near the trash. Come to your bed. And I go tell him, I want you to understand me more. Papa, you want fuck? It is now emotional torture. They torture the guy. You go see the guy go there restless. The guy after, they see you. This is the ammo for darkness, so the guy never locked door. Later the guy will go on light. The guy will go on light. When they look the guy, can you talk to me? Why are you making me feel this way? The guy will say, see, you don't really understand me. I'm feeling bad right now. I'm feeling like a rapist. I'm not. You be rapist. I'm feeling like the guy named Jude. You be Jude? Oh, let's say Jude did this table. Now you go see the guy. The guy will go to the stable, be a rumble. The guy will come there and say, Jude, please can you come to your bed and sleep? You go see the guy. If the guy call you the second time, you know what you go do? Go to bed, do. As the guy says, Jude, can you come to your bed and sleep? The guy will come go to the bed. You can't tell the girl. My problem is if I stay on the bed, I'm so comfortable with you, I'm so fond of you, I want to hold you. Wait! I might not go touch ground. There's you. Now, no rush, oh. Just go look, no play Nigerian blues, go look for Igbo. Song where will make the girl feel bad. DJ, you get this song, Brian Adams. Don't deny me the pains I'm going through. Please forgive me. I can't. Any girl way here and when no words call me bastard. Play the song as you play am. The girl, as you play the song, not touch the girl. Only one thing I go do, don't hold the girl for shoulder. Just tell her, say, have a good night, Joanne. Then press play. DJ, get the song. Wait, okay, DJ, they talk to the family people. DJ, you have it. Don't deny me the pains I'm going through. I know she'll say DJ go get them home. As you play like this, the first 10 seconds, the guy will start to feel bad. Then the guy will just tell you, Jude, why are you doing this to me? Go and lock the door. Nothing when a sweet man like go and lock the door. My brother lock the swallow key. The day when they tell me go and lock the door, I lock door, go bed. She tell me off light, I carry my shoes, stone bob. Bob, boss, boy. God, I beg you. I just came back from Canada like 2 months ago. A round of applause. If easy, it's not easy at all. I traveled to Canada. My brother suffered in Nigeria. My friend showed me picking account number. Picking way small. He gave up to $3,000 for account. He can't even go to picking school, primary school till secondary. That's they call it college, right? Free. From the day when they born you, the country they owe you. Nigeria. From the day when they born you, they owe Nigeria. You are a debtor from birth. That's why Peking go grow at the age of 4. Peking don't get BP. Country they make her tick. If they follow Papa, they complain about the country. I go zoo for Canada. If you see lion be like slave queen. Lion dey stroll, dey wave me, hi. You see lion, lion dey well fed. Then they give lion full goat with their life. Because lion like to kill, they don't like waiting around goat. They'll throw the goat, lion will pursue and fire, hold on for neck, me. You don't go Nigerian zoo? You don't go zoo for Benin zoo? If you see lion, Jesus Christ, they don't frustrate lion, so the lion no. Lion, they give lion meat 1,000 every day. After 7 years, lion, they throw full goat for lion with their life. Goat take off. Lion take off. You see live goat take off. You just say goat na threat. And then they tell them food on food. And they tell them, say this lion, they suffer. Lion look me say, hey, pa. You know it's you. You don't go Ibadan. I go Ibadan zoo. See lion, they chop roasted corn. I near the lion asked me whether I get peer. Stress too much for the country. It's too much. Because Nigeria don't get middle class again, no. It's either you are rich or you are poor. Either it's day or it's no day. That's why they say anybody will not get money now. No too big man, no. All these rich people in Nigeria, they reserve money for problems. They will keep 200 million for court case. Why you keep 40,000 as your hardened sibling? 2014, one big man make me invest. Now I sue the man. I tell the man, you may have money, but I will sue you and you will rot in jail. Wait till they give me moral, 600,000. Lawyer say you collect 150, I give her 80,000 to balance 70. We reach court, I fold leg, they look the big man. For my mind, that day I go win, the next day go rot in jail. I no say that they are junk case, so they are junk case. 2 years, my money finish. The man was soon, I call the carry me and my lawyer go court. We go buy food for us, give us transport, carry us for back seat, like people that they carry go take care. I tell my lawyer, I'm a beggar. My lawyer said, maintain your steeze and composure. Who no get money, they get composure. My lawyer still enter court where they shout, I put it to you, not put them again. No, come on. More beggar, my bed. I'm on the country, they stress. That's why police say when they spoil their name, say that they work. Say when they spoil their name. You will call police for afternoon. Hello, sir, we have a problem in our area, this and that. They go rush, come. You go call them for the same problem for night. Then go off phone. You know why? The way Nigerians they explain problem for this country, they too deep. If I'm robber come your area, they don't kill people. Not just call police to kill and say 3 don't die. See the way Nigerians they take up police. Hello, good morning, Nigerian police force. Please, where are you, sir? Can you come to Orchard Road, please? I'm robbers came to my area. They have killed 3 people. 3 security men are dead right now. Please start coming. How you go give us your update of death? Then you say me start motor, come die. If now your papa you go like me come. You know they call police like that. If the armed robber are 20, if the 20 is in with your eyes, then I say that they 3. If they carry guns, say that cutlass, reduce the weapon. So that they will come face their problem. Now so I do, then after I try that they are back over my house. Because they say they will kill me anywhere with their sin. I'm about to come my area for Platinum way, then kill 4 security men. Kill 2 for Vista Estate, kill 2 for one other estate. Now I call police. I make sure say the bullet don't go down. Now I say, hello, Nigerian police force, good morning. He said, good morning, my brother, where are you calling from? I said, Platinum way. Thank you for protecting lives and properties. Please, some small boys enter my area with cutlass and just a match door. All those small boys again. Where again? I said, Platinum way. We are coming. Before he called for 9 years, go on. And ask me, who shoot? Now I said, now the film where I can watch. He said, which film is that? I said, Spartacus. He said, then shoot gun for Spartacus. I said, now the part 2. He said, when they come out, I said, today. He said, can you off that TV? Let's have focus. Now they enter our area. Wow. As they shoot their bullet, tower, tower, and then they young poor. Then your guy say, when I carry another gun apart from the one I give you. He said, okay, the bullets, when they change you, he said, about, I don't buy gun from my back. As they shoot, tower, tower, and they young poor. Your guy say, wait, may nobody shoot. As your guy wait 3 seconds, 9 years poor. He said, Jesus. This boy don't lie for me. He's in a Spartacus. My wife just born off engine. I know it's you. You don't get money, you carry your drink, go toilet. Who won't poison poor man? You're trying to protect your poverty. I know, I'm sorry. I'm not promoting suicide. No matter how frustrated you are in life, don't kill yourself. Just be patient. Very soon you'll soon die. All of us will say that. Now, smart thing. But I know you will tell me, Papa. No do a job, people hide the red. Person way to a job, just snap picture for airport, everywhere they call out. Where is they go? Now you first park. Where is they go? They say you go welcome your uncle who come from US. I said no pass the airport too. The woman where they do contribution for our bank, December reach where people they spend money flop. And she said she lose her memory. She said she didn't recognize anybody again, including her husband. But if my money there with you, you go know me. You will recognize me. They never flog you better 2 by 2. You go know me by force. The country is crazy right now. As they change our national anthem, they need to try and edit our coat of arms. That horse with the they need to find space, put generator. Generator don't help Nigeria. Put generator for up, then under they put 2 bandits. The country don't stress everybody. For Canada, they tell me to say, be happy, Nigeria doesn't have natural disaster. Here we have natural disaster, we have hurricane, we have this. My brother, Buhari no need to be natural disaster. Country don't stress everybody. Tinubu come TV, tell us, President tell you, I've seen your suffering and your pain. I wish there are ways to solve it, but there is none. Jesus Christ, your president, he said nothing, road no deal, nothing. You die well. My brother, which president will go tell you say hope no deal? I've been on a club now, I use 2 minutes to summarize. I never see country be like this country. Nigeria is stressed. How many of you don't enter plane? Wait, person wait enter plane for the first time, sit down near you. That's in the mad. I enter plane where they go Port Harcourt. One papa sit down near me. If they go Port Harcourt too. If let's say you're picking them quarrel, say you want to take a go for you or something, or God is good. But they tell us say no go reach with me enter plane. So we sit down near that window when they call emergency exit. So that window, if you sit down there, you need to hello sir, are you willing to assist in time of emergency? Sorry. So now they come meet the man. Sir, are you aware you're sitting at the emergency exit? The man say what? Are you aware you're sitting at the emergency exit? The man say, oh, this door? I don't know. I say, will you be willing to assist in time of emergency? The man say, of course. You don't know where they go. And they say we are flying 10,000 feet above the sea level. Sir, please, in time of emergency, please don't open the door until you hear evacuate. There's a parachute under your seat. When the door is open like this, you have to fly out before you inflate the parachute. And the man said, fly to where? I'm going to Port Harcourt to see my daughter. I don't think I can assist anybody. Bro. Oh, the country don't use you. Let me summarize with this. They say our currency don't lose value. You know, say any time when people are going to say, if they give you any currency, where you don't know. Once you change, I go big because our own don't lose value. And so the thing they do me until one money fuck me up. Who don't go country where they call Uzbekistan? Anybody who want to do business with you who come from Uzbekistan, avoid their money. That money will fuck you up. They message me for Instagram. Hello, MC Pashun, we are messaging from Uzbekistan. We have a program in Lagos, Sheraton. We want you to be the MC. As I hear Uzbek abroad, as they enter, they say, please, where is your Burundi change? We have 600 billion Uzbekistan songs. We want to change it to Naira, then we discuss with you. I say, God, this is my year of turnaround. Now, ask the man, please, can you pay me your currency? My man, they tell me they change the money, they'll call the get sense. I said, can you pay me your currency in case I want to travel to your country and all that? He said, no problem. Now he discussed with your guy. He said, please, can you manage 6 billion? I said, I will do it. I don't understand at the beginning of my problem. IMC program finished, they give me money for Ghana must go. It's too heavy. Security follow me Ghana and go put. I want to give security block from the Uzbekistan money. I said, no, man, don't give her money the next day, buy a house. Now I give her 10,000 from Nigeria currency. As I want to go, boys take gate. Now I say I go need 2 police to secure me. Go borrow the change. They say police 20,000. I say they bring 2. I take 2 police 40,000. Plus that 20 I give that guy how much? 60,000. Follow my problem. As we reach borrow the change, Aboki see me, Aboki come out. He carry me enter the shop, give me chicken and cheese with juice. I say this man no value. I chop finish. Aboki ask me, Oga. I didn't agree to see you. Now pounds? I said no. Now dollars? I said no. He said, which money I carry home? I said 6 billion Uzbekistan sum. He said, okay, well, don't tell me for outside, well, I just waste money for chicken and chips. I said, what do you mean? He said, your money now 14.5. I said, are you mad? Ghana must go, you give me money that went out wallet? I said, you are mad. I go to that shop, they tell me 2 I won't call the people who give me the money, their number switch off. Jesus, they don't took me. I'm one day frustrated. I said I must share this money before I reach us. Make people no rest. As I go, as my police stop me. Pa! The girl language they go tell police, even if you don't mention money, now that's where people calculate. As I said, Pa, now wind down. Good afternoon, sir. How many of you are on duty? Eh? As I hear how many of you are on duty? Oh, Lord, we are 4. I said I will bless you for my mind and cause. I opened my boot, brought out the currency of doom. I gave 4 of them 1.5 billion. Police started to shoot one. Tawai. Ogana man, you beat and get the enter butter. I said, you're causing accident. He said, you water, my brother. You know what you have done? I said, relax. Where's your DPO? They said, I said, call DPO. You people are working. They made a tell DPO the money name and the billion. DPO come out without shoe like that. I said, come stand up your man and this. I give DPO 1.5 billion. DPO give me come and protect myself. He said, when I put siren for my motor with tinted glass, I said, DPO, you have touched my G-spot. Where is IG? They say, oh God, he carry for the call IG. IG, get off for a way to Lagos. We don't know we be, don't give us 3 billion. I feel like, I said, good afternoon, sir. I said, IG, your boys are really working. I'm sending some money through CH. I'm sending 1.5 billion. I give it to DPO. I will take it in Lagos. I will take it. Wait, IG, for just wait. For them, in problem for Abuja. I go enter business class airpiece for money where you don't know the foundation. The mistake where I do, they see my complimentary card, then they pick up. I sleep, wake up, I see 82 missed calls from DPO. I know I don't touch lives and property. Then send me text, please pick. Is the police you gave money we don't know? I no pick. Then send text again, my brother pick. We are human beings like you, and not big. They say, my brother, just speak for explanation of that currency. I know big. They send text, my brother will not be your mate. Big. I know big. Now they send text, if you fear God, big. They've taken the matter to God. Isn't it that big? And then they say, hello, my brother. Now the police will give money. Where are you? Now say, hello, please, can I call you back? I'm busy. Okay, you're not being busy, yo. DPO, they sell. I said, what's happening? IG lock them. The money where you give IG now 1, 2. IG say, go kill DPO. If you don't get money to go and put out. I love you. Good night.